Grupo Ortiz is a Spanish business group comprised of 42 companies of different specialities, which has been doing business on the market for over 54 years. An unequivocal sign of professionalism, maturity, and a solid reputation. Grupo Ortiz is structured and diversified into 4 major lines of business: construction, energy, concessions, and real estate. At an international level, Grupo Ortiz is present in 13 countries, basing its expansion in countries where there is a high growth rate and legal security. The energy area of Grupo Ortiz comprises 3 companies: Elecor, Juan Galindo, and Ortiz Energía. The energy area encompasses all of the services comprising the different endeavors in the energy industry across the board. These endeavors range from the generation of renewable and conventional energy to high-voltage power transport, distribution, and the operation and maintenance of all types of energy-related infrastructures. From the generation plant standpoint, Ortiz Energía has developed the turnkey or EPC modality, over 350 megawatts divided up among different technologies, including those such as photovoltaic, thermosolar, wind power, and cogeneration, which it currently maintains and operates through its subsidiary, Elecor, devoted to this activity. The Horus solar plant, located in Santa Rosa department in Guatemala, with an 80 megawatt nominal power and 93 megawatt peak power, is equipped with a single-axis solar tracking system, is the largest plant in Central America and one of the largest on the South American continent. The Marcovia project, with its 35 megawatt installed power, is the first photovoltaic solar power plant to have been put into operation, feeding power into Honduras's electric power grid. The difficulties resulting from the lack of cohesion and the soil composition characteristics of the lands where this plant is located led to Ortiz Energy's innovation department having taken charge, in collaboration with its engineering office, of developing custom-designed in-situ poured foundations. This innovative solution guarantees the long-term stability of the panels and makes it possible to assure that the plant will live out its useful life without any position-shifting related problems. The La Africana project, located in the province of Córdoba, is the largest parabolic cylinder thermosolar power plant built in Spain, having been completed within a total 24-month period from the initial earthwork up to commencing feeding power into Spain's grid. Its technology enables it to feed its full 50 megawatt generating capacity into the grid at top performance, practically 24 hours a day, thanks to its 7.5-hour power storage system by means of the use of salts, making it possible to continue feeding power into the grid for several hours, even without any direct sunlight. Within the wind power sector, Ortiz Energía has built phases 1 and 2 of the Santa María de Nieva wind farm, located in the province of Almería in Spain. This wind farm is 25 wind turbines, a total power of 50 megawatts, and has been in operation since November 2012. Committed to energy efficiency, Ortiz Energía has taken part in several cogeneration projects in industries and hospitals. One example was the EPC format cogeneration project carried out in 2012 at the Vall d'Hebron Hospital in Barcelona, with a 6 megawatt electric power gas turbine and using its generated heat to cover the hospital's demands. From the transport and distribution standpoint, Grupo Ortiz Energy Area, through its subsidiary Juan Galindo, has taken part in the construction of a major number of substations and transport lines of voltages ranging from 20 to 400 kilovolts. In Mexico, the contract was won for the engineering, procurement and construction of a set of 400 kilovolt substations and lines for the Mexican government's Federal Electric Power Commission in the region of Sinaloa. In Chile, the contract was also signed for the EPC format Uribe solar project towards the end of 2015, a photovoltaic solar plant with a 50 nominal megawatt and a 58 peak megawatt design in the Atacama Desert. Grupo Ortiz Energy Area currently has a consolidated presence in countries such as Mexico, Peru, Guatemala, Honduras, and Chile. And more recently, in 2016, its international presence has been expanded to Asia, its base having been set up in Japan. Grupo Ortiz turnover for 2015 amounted to around $600 million, the energy area comprising a third of this turnover. a total of 90% having been made on international markets. The energy area is committed to the Middle Eastern and Asian markets for the upcoming years, as well as to boosting its presence in Latin America to an even greater degree. Grupo Ortiz's experience, reliability, and sound financial standing make it an ideal strategic partner for carrying out any type of project in an energy-related sector.